So today I want to share a quick and easy lemongrass steamed fish recipe. It is so easy to make, yet it tastes so delicious. You're gonna love this. Let's get started. First, we're gonna prep the sauce. Here I have 2 stalks of lemongrass. These have been pre-washed. I'm gonna remove the outer layers of the lemongrass, maybe just 1 to 2 layers. These are a bit more fibrous, so I don't like the feeling when I bite into them. Chop off the top bits. Chop off the ends. Now crush the lemongrass with a knife. It's going to release the aroma from the lemongrass. I'm going to use the lower part of the lemongrass and blend it with the other ingredients. Don't waste the top part of the lemongrass. We will be using it later, so set it aside. Now place the lower part of the lemongrass into the food processor. I'm also going to add garlic, shallots, and some ginger. If you don't have a food processor, you can always chop these ingredients on a chopping board, or you can use a pestle and mortar to blend it. Now let's blend the ingredients. Pulse it a few times. Until they turn into fine bits like this. It's okay if it turns it into a paste, it doesn't really matter. Then transfer into a bowl. Now we're going to season the blended mixture. Some salt, sugar, fish sauce, and some water. Give it a good mix and set it aside. Now when it comes to steaming fish, the prep work is the most important part. You want to make sure that you clean the fish thoroughly, rinse it at least 2 to 3 times, and make sure you remove any red blood clots around this area, the belly area, near the bone. Here I have 250 grams of fish fillet. You can use any white flesh fish for this recipe. Okay, now all the ingredients are ready. Let's assemble them. Place the fish on a heat-proof plate, then pour the sauce over the fish. Make sure you spread it evenly, and then you can just pour the rest around the fish. Place the remaining lemongrass pieces around the fish as well. I'm also going to add some bird's eye chili. It's going to give it some heat. Bring the water to a boil. You don't need to use a bamboo basket. You can use any steam rack to steam the fish. Okay, once the water comes to a boil, place the fish on the steam rack. Then steam on high heat for 6 to 8 minutes. The fish is about 1.5 centimeter thick, so it takes about 6 to 8 minutes to cook. Okay, I think it's done. Let's see. Oh, it smells so nice. Okay, I'm just gonna squeeze a bit of lime juice over the fish. It's gonna give it some tanginess. Then garnish with some coriander and some lime. Okay, it's done. Smells so good. Let me try this. This is so good. It's savoury, it's sweet, it's tangy, and it's got that lovely fragrance from the lemongrass and a bit of heat from the chili padi. It is so, so delicious. You have to try this. So little effort and tastes so amazing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you next time.